Welcome to Crossplane Nation. Today we're going to put on this case saver here from TM Designworks. You can see the part number here is YCS-700-BK. This is going to go on our 2019 Yamaha 700 Raptor. It's going to be really easy to do. Just get you an Allen wrench. I already got these guys loose in here. So you can see the difference here. The one on the left is the TM Designworks, and then the one on the right here, this is just the stock one. All right, when you get this guy here, you're gonna have to do some trimming to your sprocket case, because this lip here and then the bottom lip there is going to interfere with this guy. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. When you try to line everything up, you see the holes line up, but you have some issues right here. I wrapped the sprocket cover in a little rag here, taped off where I wanted to cut. And actually, using these 10 snips is the easiest way to do this here. I'll show you. Just take it, and it just cuts right where I need to. There you can see, got it all trimmed up. Now let's go put it on the bike. Okay, to install it, it's really simple. You're just gonna take, you can see like where they've cut out two little holes here. That goes right like that. Okay, what you want to do is you want to make sure you do the bottom one first, because to line up the top, you're going to need to pull back just a little bit onto the case saver to get those holes lined up. Okay, that top one's going to take a little bit of finagling to do, but it's going to line up. There you have it. Thanks for watching.